AP Linkages program is really useful because there's so many topics that you need to be able to cover in the AP Chinese test, and the AP Linkages gives you a place to start.
The Linkages program is just tailored to me as an AP student, and that individualized attention, I suppose, that really helps.
It gives us a wide range of topics. For example, pollution. I never thought I was going to be learning about pollution and how to address pollution and climate change in Chinese.
I think some of the best materials on the Linkages PowerPoints are the vocab slides because they're really applicable vocab which you can use to the real world. You can actually utilize them, so those are very important, I think.
The tutoring that we do Tuesday and Thursdays. It's incredible. We have a native speaker, we Skype. Being able to speak to a native Chinese speaker is something that you don't get in your Chinese class, especially like that one-on-one that she gives you.
Being able to learn about specific topics, but then going out further on these topics and being able to communicate with my own words really is very helpful in learning Chinese.
What I really like about the Buddies Days is that I can meet a lot of people that have the same interests as I do in Chinese.
The thing I liked most about Buddy Day 1 and 2 is that they brought together 3 different schools. So we have not only like person-to-person individual interaction, but like school-to-school interaction.
And having the elders from the retirement community come, that was a bonus because you got to see them actually do the calligraphy, which is really fun.
I'm really thankful to the AP Linkages program for providing this opportunity for us.
Thank you to you guys for giving me this opportunity.